Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Are you in a little bit of a dilemma trying to figure out if this is a good time for you to buy more tokens, or should you just hold on to your stable coins as the market is so uncertain? Well, this could be a perfect time for you to invest in low cap or a pre-sale. If you do not know what a pre-sale is, you just buy a token before it actually goes public, and one of the ones which I have been paying attention to is Dogeverse. Now this is the first chain traveling Doge. What do I mean by that? Well, there's going to be multiple chains that this token is going to be live on once the token is released. Right now it is still in the pre-sale phase and they have already raised over $11 million. The price is 1 Dogeverse to 0.0003, but it is going to be going up again in the next 48 hours. Now keep in mind the chain that this token will be going live on soon as it is public is going to be Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, and also Solana. So you can see that there is so many different chains that this will be going live on. Therefore, there will be much more investment coming in once it goes public, and this could be the time for you to early get into this token. Now the Cosmos, the chain hopping Doge, spawned by the collapsing supernova, and this is just the backstory and it's really interesting. This is going to be a multi-chain. The Dogeverse is the dog meme token built for multi-chain network, pretty much being part of so many different and at the same time welcome to interconnected universe of Doge lovers where community rewards creative and fun courage. Stake your Doge tokens on Ethereum to earn passive income, launching on 6 different tokens. It has already been featured on Cointelegraph, Techno Media, Bitcoinalist, and Crypto News. Multi-Bridge University or utility is doing so well. You guys can see that the utility is going to be paying a close attention to this. Now the roadmap right now is going to be, first of all, they just want to get the website going. Contract gets written. Right now the contract gets audited. It has been audited and you guys can see that there is no problems at all. At the same time, pre-sale begins. In third phase, they want to get it listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and you can see the first CEX listing is going to be the time and the marketing will continue. Now the tokenomics, you can see that 15% is on pre-sale. Staking is going to be 10%, project fund 25, liquidity 10, marketing 25, and exchange is going to be 5. If you do want to purchase it, really simple process. You simply just need to connect your wallet, select the network, buy the tokens, claim it on chain, and bridge it to the one that you want it to be. Now, some important questions which are asked. What is Dogeverse? Dogeverse is the first truly multi-meme coin with Cosmos the dog, bringing Dogeverse to the old biggest chain. How do I participate? You simply just need to select a chain that you want to be part of and buy your tokens. When will I receive it? You will receive it straight away. You will be able to claim it on the same wallet and claim the listing date will be announced on social media. Now, what is staking? Staking is an action to sending you to your smart contract and locking them away for a certain period of time. This will earn you more tokens over time, and at the same time, this is going to be really good for you to be able to make more profit. So really easy way. You simply just need to put in how much, then it will tell you how much you get, and then just simply buy. Even when you look at their Twitter, it is very active. It is verified. I mean, that's good to see. Over about 10,000 followers, and you can see that their posts on average do get quite a good, you guys can see views from other people, and a lot of people are paying attention to this. Just a few hours left until the next price increase. This is a good time for you to get in. So as I mentioned, this is a very good time. If you do want to purchase yourself this, I'll link it down in the description. Personally, I'm going to be paying very close attention to this, especially when the public listing goes out. I need to make sure that the price is doing very well. As I mentioned, if you guys do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and I'll see you soon.